Hi, today we are going to learn about square products with Mei, which is myself. A square product is a number that has two same numbers for a multiplication fact. For example, 1 times 1 has two of these ones, so it's a square product. So let's go ahead and start reading these. 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 equals 49, 8 times 8 equals 64, and 9 times 9 is 81. So you might have to remember these because we might use them later. So let's go ahead and start learning. So it says over here, pretend you are Zeus. I think that Zeus is this miniature. And to find your way out, you may go through only the rooms numbered with square products. Well, those are the ones I showed you before. Start at the miniatures, which is him, and the chambers, and draw a path to the exit. So now you get what to do, right? So we have to go from this miniature to the exit. So let's go back and check the square products. So I guess we have to look at these square products. So let's check out. If you go back to the picture with the miniature and stuff, you might have to go back and forth to look at the answers, or you might want to take a memo, so you might want to pause. So let's check. We can only go possible from the miniature to 7 or 64. So let's check if there's 7 or 64. So let's check out. There's no 7. And let's check if there's 64. Yes, there's 64. 8 times 8 equals 64. So let's go to the 64 direction. So let's go to 64. So let's go ahead and go to 64. So now we can find 25 and 24 and 36. So let's check if there's 25, 24, 36. Okay. Well, I guess you already found out that there's 25 over here. So let's use 25. Oh, well, there's also 36. But there's no 24, so you could go either where you want. 25 or 36. So let's go to the direction of 25. So now we can go to 9, 49, or 90. Okay, I think you also found out that there's 9 and 49, but there's no 90, so let's go. We can go either where we want. For now, let's go to 9. Okay, now then we can go to only 42 or 1. So let's check out if there's 42 or 1. Oh, there's 1. Oh, and there's also but there's no 42. So let's go to. So let's go to 1. Now we can go to 27 or 81 or 7. So let's check out. Well, is there 27? No. And let's check if there's 81. Yes, there's 81 here. So let's go to 81, or let's go ahead and check if there's the other number. The other number is 7, but there's no 7, so we have to go to 81. So let's go to the 81 direction. There, now we can go to 40, 63, or 49. So, there is no 63. Or is there 40 or 7? Oh, sorry, I meant 49. Yes, there's 49. Here, so let's go to 49. So, 49 is this way. Now we can go to 1 or 24 or 7. So let's check if there is 27, 1, or 7. There is no 7, but there is 1. And also no 27, so let's go to 27. I mean 1. So, 1. Okay, now there's 25, 54, or 4. Oh, there's 25 and 4. What about 54? No 54, so we could go either direction. So, let's go to 25. Now, we can go to 24, 50, or 48. So let's check. Well, is there 24? No. Is there 48? No. Is there 50? No. So I guess we went to the wrong direction. So I think we made a mistake. So we should have gone to 4. So let's go to 4. Oopsie. Now we can go to 9, 16, or 48. There is 9, 64, but there's no 48. So we could go to 9 or 64. Okay, 9 and... Oh, there's no 64. Sorry, let's go to 9. Okay, now we can go to 72 or 36. 74 or 36. So, 74, nope. 36, yes! So let's go to 36. So now we can go to 48 or 16. 48 or 16. So, is there 48? No, but there is 16, so we could go to 16. So, 16 is this way. Now we can go to 49 or 27. Okay, there's no 27, but there's 49, so we have to go to 49. So, let's go to 49. Now we can go to 1, 50, or 48. Now, I think there was 1, but no 50. And I guess there was also 48. Let's check. Okay, there is no 48, so we have to go to the 1 direction. Now, here we go to 1. Now we can go to, I guess, only 64. Let's check if there's 64. Sure, there is 64. So we have to go to 64. So let's go to 64. Now there's 50 and 4. I guess there was 4, but I think there was no 50. So let's go to 4. Now we can go to 35 or 9. Was there 9? I guess 3 times 3 equals 9. What about 35? 3 times 6 equals 35. 3 times 5 times 7 equals 35? No. So we have to go to 9. What about 42 or 64? So let's check. Well, there is no...
5 minutes or we're not going to do it.
Well, there's no 42, but there is 64. So let's go to 64. Okay, 64. Now, we can go to 35, 63, and 81. Well, I guess 9 times 9 is 81. What about 63? No, I guess that's not a square product. What about 35? No, as I showed you, when we were going from 4, it was 35 equals 5 times 7. So let's go to 81. Now, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, but 10 times... Sorry, I forgot to tell you, but 10 times 10 equals 100. So, now, there's 100, which is 10 times 10. What about 42? I guess so not. What about 28? Let's check. Oh, what about... There's no 28, so let's go to the other direction. So let's go to 100. Is 81 a square product? Yes. Well, the exit is above us, so I guess we could go above. Yay, we got the monster out. Now, we're done. So, now don't forget the square products. The square products are very important for you to remember. So, let's review the square product. Square product is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So I hope you really won't forget them. Thank you. Oh, wait. Thank you for watching. Well, I hope I didn't forget to introduce myself. My name is Mei.